Today we're going to have a fun DIY. We are going to make a tulip wreath for this spring. I've seen this wreath on Pinterest. I've always wanted to make one, but I could never find the tulips at Micheal's in time. They normally ran out, especially the white ones and the green ones. They sell out so fast. Normally cost around $3.99, but they're on sale now if you can catch them for $1.99, and I purchased several of these. So we are going to start. You need a wreath form. I have a 14-inch here. Your tulips, of course, some ribbon, or you can use floral pins. These were from Micheal's for $2.99. You would need some scissors, a glue gun, and wire cutter. So the first thing you want to do is cut your tulips from the stem like I did here. You're going to take a bushel of your tulips and you're going to take your wire cutter and you're just going to simply snip off as close as you can down at the stem the tulips from the stem. And we're going to cut all of these off. Okay, so you have a decent amount of stem there to work with. And then you're going to take your price tag off of your tulips here because we don't want that to be there when we make our wreath. So we're going to take all of these off of the bushels just like I did here, and then we're going to go to the next step. Now what I've done, I've already taken my ribbon off of the spool and I'm just going to unravel it a little bit. Now you need a 1.5 inches of ribbon at 8 yards. So this is a 4-yard spool, so I had to buy 2 of these if you want to do it this way. Now you can definitely do it the other way with the pins, or you can glue it on however way you want. You're going to take a starting point on your wreath. We're going to do right where that it has a section where they glue the wreath together. So we're going to start right there. You're going to hold it just like this, and you're going to wrap your stem in the wreath. You're going to wrap it on the side here, and we're just going to work from side to side. And now you're going to go however which way you want to go on this. I'm going to do the first row with the white tulips first. Right in here, you probably need another flower there and a few more flowers in there because I can see some of the striping there. See that? So we're going to fill that in. But it is looking nice. I'm really liking this. And we're going to keep wrapping and keep inserting the tulips as we go. Okay, so we come to the end of the first row of ribbon, the first spool of ribbon. Now here's a note I wanted to tell you guys that I forgot to tell you. You have to make sure this is snug when you wrap your roses or your tulips onto your wreath, because they can slip out of place. So each time you wrap it, make sure you wrap it tightly and overlap. Now, just like I have this striped ribbon here, I'm making sure that I overlap and the pattern is not interrupted, so that it looks like it's right on top, and it continue all the way around. See that? And continue to wrap it. And as I come to the end, you can either glue that here or you can use a piece of tape. I'm using the tape that's already on the ribbon that was from the spool, just to hold it. Take the new ribbon that we're going to continue to the one that's already wrapped on here that's pinned. So we're going to unloosen that pin. We're going to take this ribbon and put it right on top and use the pin to attach it. And now we can get started. Okay, we at the top here, and you see there's a little gap between the ending and the beginning when I first started. So we're going to fill that in with the rest of these white tulips. But before we do that, we're going to end off the ribbon with this floral pick just to hold it here. Okay, so we're going to push this down in here so we'll hold the ribbon. Now we're going to fill in with the rest of these white tulips so you can't see that gap there. And then we're going to straighten out our flowers and make sure everything is covered. Go back in and place some tulips where need to be. And we're going to cover this gap by putting these white tulips in here. Got the tag. Don't forget to take your tags off, people. Like, I forgot to take that one off. So continue to fill this in until it's nice and full that you can't tell the difference. See that? See, it's nice and full there. You can't tell where it began and where it ended. Well, that would do it for me, loves. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you're new to the channel, hey, my name is Bree, and welcome to Model Living with Bree. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I appreciate it. It helps me a lot. And also click the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. For all of my family members, thank you so much for being here today and joining me for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Smooches!